Alright, I'm making a quick video now to show any prospective Airstream viewers that perhaps have developed a hole or maybe even acquired an Airstream with a hole in it that maybe previously was sponged up or covered up. What I've done here is I have created a underneath section. I've cut out a square piece of aluminum, and you can see the rivets here. The rivets I've actually patched from the outside, the aluminum. Now I'm using the famous Trim Pro, which is the sealant that's indicative of Airstreams, just because it's really, really good, and it is a rodent repellent. After I have finished smoothing this and contouring this, I will then re-administer the gaps and cracks, great stuff, after I have done the rodent repellent version of this. So just to show you here how this looks, you just basically get your crack and you just seal it up as best as you can. And I'm using a spatula. So let me do that without the phone, and I'll show you what it looks like on the next video.